Hello, welcome to Kathadi. In this video, we will convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction. To do this activity, we need a couple of paper strips and some crayons. Let us take improper fraction 5 by 3 and convert this into a mixed fraction. And how do we do this procedurally? What we do is divide the numerator by the denominator. Shall we divide here? So 3 times 1 is 3. We get the remainder 2. So this is converted to, this quotient becomes the whole number here, which is 1, and then the remainder becomes the numerator 2 and the divisor becomes the denominator 3. So 5 by 3 becomes 1, 2 by 3. Now this is the correct answer, but how does this procedure work? How does dividing and keeping this quotient here, remainder here, how does this work? Let's do that using paper strips. To represent 5 by 3, let us take this paper strip. Now here the denominator is 3. So I have to divide this into 3 parts. So I'm going to fold like this and find 3 equal parts. And how many parts I have to color here? 5 parts. So I have 3 parts here. Let me color this 3 first. So here we have 3 colored parts. But how many do we need? We need 5. That means we need 2 more. So we can't, we don't have any more parts here. So we'll take 1 more paper strip and also fold this into 3 parts because the denominator is 3. So how many more do we need? We need 2 more to make it 5. So I'm going to color 2 parts in this paper strip. Now we have 5 colored parts. Now can we write the mixed fraction here? So how many whole fractions do we have here? So we have 1 whole fraction colored here. So that means my whole number becomes 1, and in the next paper strip I have 2 parts colored out of 3. That means I get 2 by 3. So my mixed fraction here is 1, 2 by 3, which is the same that I have gotten here using the procedure. So with this paper strip method, we can understand how this procedure works. So what we did in procedure, we divided numerator by the denominator, and doing that we found how many wholes are there. Here it is 1, the quotient is 1. So in this case it is 1, and the remainder 2 denotes the numerator of the fraction, and the denominator, which is 3 parts, 3 total parts in the fraction, remains the same. So improper fraction 5 by 3 converted to mixed fraction gives us 1, 2 by 3. Similarly, can you convert the improper fraction 7 by 4 to a mixed fraction? Do the activity, convert the improper fraction, and let us know your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Kathadi for more interesting activities and videos.